Here we go with another shout out Monday evening, and today's shout out is going to be a little bit different than what I normally do, so let's see what's going on now. I'm Tom Kvichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And like I said, this is going to be a different one, and the reason for that is there's been a lot of changes going on recently in YouTube and on this channel. So the first thing I would like to do is thank everyone who has visited this channel and watched the videos, but I would like to especially thank David Hosteen, Sparky107107, and Ben Assman. Okay, and it just keeps popping up in my head. He's the little guy on the left because Four Brothers Journey. Now when I ask him which brother is he says the little guy on the left. And I said, okay, what's your name? So anyway, I want to thank the two of you. And if I haven't done so already, back in December, I also had another contributor, Joseph A. Correro Jr. I don't know if I thanked you back in December, but if I haven't to, I apologize. So, Sparky107107, thank you very much for your generous contributions. Four Brothers Journey, thank you very much, Ben, for your contribution. I would also like to thank all of my patrons for their continued support, and I have a few new patrons on here: Gary Schmidt, Jim Bingle Sr., and Patrick Bazinet. Thank you very much. Those are new in January. And also my existing patrons: Chris O'Connell, Chuck Heidler, Debbie Colley, Duncan Elsop, John Dilly, John Grout, Petro Martius, Roy Hardwood, and Will King. That was in alphabetical order by their first names. So thank you very much. I really appreciate your continued support. Thank you. If you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go to my channel. Click right below the video where it says Tom's Trains and Things. Click on that and that'll take you to my channel page, and click on playlists. And that will show you all the playlists that I have. I have them grouped into different categories by topic, so it's easy to find. So if you're looking for something on soldering, you can find it. If you're looking for electrical projects, you could find it. If you're looking for DCC, you'll find it. I have over 40 playlists on there where the videos are grouped into categories so you could find them easily. So take a look at it. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about this next channel right here. It doesn't have anything to do with model railroading, but Z Artwork Weekly Drawings. Okay, I found him on the creator community. He was asking questions. He's a new creator, and he's only 20 years old. He's in college, and he does magnificent artwork. If you could see from, these are some of his things here, and I asked him to do a caricature of me, and he's doing that right now, and I'm going to put it up on my channel for everybody to see, and he's going to help me out, and I'm going to help him out along the way. He does excellent work. So if you need anything for your channel art, go see this kid right here, Z Artwork. He does amazing work. Now, you're all familiar with Tom's Trains and Things, but in the past couple of days, I just started a new channel. You're familiar with this one here, but I just started a new channel right here under my name. Just because YouTube has made so many changes, and last week they announced that they were going to increase the partner program minimum requirements to 1,000 subscribers and 240,000 minutes, which comes out to 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 365 days. Since I have been doing a lot of work on creator community, besides doing model railroading for beginners and all the other videos that I'm doing here, I am a rising star on the creator community. and I go on there and spend my leisure time answering questions on there and helping out other YouTubers. Top authors on here: Tom's Trains and Things, 159 likes. I think that's in the past month or so. But anyway, that is the reason why I created this new channel. It shows that I've been a member since 2013 on there, but I just started it a few days ago. I got 2 videos up there for all of you model railroaders out there that have a YouTube channel and had it monetized. And my washer's going into spin mode right now and the camera's going all right, I had to wait until my washer stabilized in the spin mode because it's on this wall right over here. If you are on YouTube and you had your channel monetized and you got that letter or you got that email a few days ago that saying that you have until February 20th to reach those minimum requirements, I think this channel may help you grow your channel. Even if you don't care about it, it'll still help you grow your channel to get your videos out there, to get them seen by other model railroaders. So go ahead on over to my other channel, Tom Kvichak, and I'll be putting up videos on there all the time about how to grow your channel on YouTube and any other vital tips, things that YouTube changes constantly because they're constantly changing things. Go ahead on my channel. I'll put a link in the description, but over here you can see I have my channel featured right here. So if you need to get over there and watch any of those videos, go on over there and click on Tom Kvichak. That's my other channel. Coming up in the weeks to come, I'll be doing follow-up videos on model railroading for beginners. I talked about doing the basics of wiring on there, and I showed you where to put gaps in there for a reversing circle. That one layout in there had like a little reverse in there. I'm going to show you how to put those gaps in there and put LEDs on there so you know what polarity you are, so you're not going to go running into your new area and short it out by having you're going forward in this one and reverse in this one. So we'll put LEDs on there so you could tell green, green, put it on there, stop it, and then reverse the direction and go on to the next one. So that's going to be one of the videos coming out. I got the 2-pin bicolor LEDs in, and I'll be doing a video on that. And I told you last time that I ordered a hair 2 that plugs into my tortoise switch machine. It'll help me out there because I was trying to figure out how to put in detectors on each end of that loop so I could automatically reverse the turnout as it was coming around. Well, this hair 2 does that, and I'll be doing a demonstration on that. We'll see how that one works out. So if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. I like to read your comments, and I get some good ideas for videos. Go check out Sparky's channel, Sparky 107 the link will be in there. And go ahead and check out Z-Art. I'll be putting up the caricature of me as soon as he sends it to me, and we'll see what kind of work he does. He's doing it for nothing, but if he does good on there, I'll be purchasing other stuff from him. And I encourage you to go check him out because he does really good work. But anyway, you know what I want to do. I'm going to go over here. We'll see you. I got a little bit of room over here. All right. Woohoo!